dezzie.rez. So I was going to show you guys. Right now I'm outside of a place called Town Center Pizzeria inside of Virginia Beach, Virginia, which I live close by. So not close by, I live in the town over. So this is the spot for pickup for Wish items. So I've been here, I don't know, 3 times now to pick up Wish items, and I have a whole haul of stuff to be picking up today. So I kind of wanted to just show you what it's like to pick up from your local Wish dispenser. In case you haven't used that feature, this is what it's like. You pretty much just go to the place. It's always random. It could be a spa, it could be a restaurant, it could be literally anything. And you go in there and you give them your QR code, which Wish will send you a QR code. And you can find it in your orders, what you've ordered list, and it'll say, you know, ready for pickup. Click that and it'll swipe over and scroll down and you'll find a QR code. I just screenshot mine and then I turn my screenshots to the person. They'll scan your QR code and you're ready to go get your item. So I'm expecting quite a few things today. So this is what it's going to be like. So let me get out of my car. Go pick these babies up. I'm really excited. So for instance, that down there, it says pizzeria on the top in green and red. That is the place where I get my Wish haul. So this is going to be exciting. They're really sweet. I actually love coming here because they also have baklava. See, look. This is Wish pickup. Is that gonna work? Okay, well, I'm not sure if you guys know this, but I got a lot of stuff from Wish. And the first thing I got here, I'm still in the parking lot, okay? The first thing I got was this measuring tool for woodworkers. So what it is essentially is, say you're putting together a floor and you are going around a corner and you need to cut a piece of wood that's specific for that corner, but it's got a wonky corner. You don't have anything tool that measures it correctly. Well, this is for that. So it moves and indents to whatever shape, you know, so they lay it on the floor, and it's got rulers on both sides. It seems pretty sturdy to me. My hubby actually runs his own wood flooring company, so he has one of these, but he lost it. So wifey and Wish to the rescue. And guess what else I got out of this? Not just not cats, but me five wick stands. Five wick stands. And check this out. This is for iOS. It's an adapter so you can charge and listen to your headphones at the same time. And I thought that was just like way too cool. So I actually used to have one and I broke it because I sat on it. But guess what? These, I didn't pay a dime. Not a dime. They were free and free shipping with pickup. So I didn't pay anything for these 2 babies. And in a store, you could pay 20 bucks for one of these. So I just cashed out there. What else did I get? Oh yeah. So they, by the way, you saw the Wish bags, right? They come in these big gray and blue Wish bags. And I got this antenna. It's a mobile antenna to hook up to an Android device or your laptop. And it helps boost your signal. I actually got it for a friend, but how neat is this? I think I paid like $3. No, I did not. I paid like $2. And it's super heavy duty. I'm really all about it. So I got, let's see. I got that. I got 2 chargers. I got the floor thing. And I got 5 wig stands. And I maybe paid $12. So if you're thinking that, you know, these whole shop, pickup, wish items, it's kind of sketchy because they're at random locations, they are legitimate businesses, you guys. And so when you're spending on Wish, most of the time, your shipping is going to be more than what the product is actually worth. You know what I'm saying? Like, the cost of the product. So, honestly, for instance, like those wig stands, they were $1 a piece. Some of them, 2 of them were. And then it was $3 to ship them. But if I got them here, it was only $1.50 shipping. And the other 3, guess what? Those were free. And free shipping. All of it was free. So most of them I paid either $1 something for shipping, or it was free shipping for me. And that cut the cost of those items in half, almost, you know? So definitely 2 thumbs up from Dezzie. I freaking love them. I freaking love them to death. So, you know, give it a try. I don't see a downside. Just obviously, and it's very, you know, they don't know what's in the bags, the people that work there. So you can order whatever you want. If it's something you want to be more discreet about, I wouldn't worry about it. So anyways, I'm so glad you guys got to come with me and see what it's like to be with Dezzie when she is going on a Wish pickup order. Actually, I am taking one of those items to a friend right now because I ordered it for them. And I'm out of here. Actually, I'm putting on sunglasses. It's really sunny out. I'm super excited about my 5 wig stands. 5 wig stands. 5 wig stands. Da-da-da. Bye, guys.